Guess what just came in the mail today? Ah, the brand new Volume 16 Weight Loss Recipes Cookbook. Let's take a look at what's inside. Isn't that cover just drool-worthy? You got a delicious salad on top, a yummy bake on the bottom. You can literally have cake and lose weight. A full recipe index for easy finding of what recipes you want to make. Oh, what should I make for lunch? How about French onion soup? Yes, page 63. Let's go. Every recipe has a picture, like every single one. And they're all delicious. Simple recipes broken down into simple steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbered steps. Here's your ingredients over here. I even have seasonings where you make your own seasoning, apple jam, chai spice, yum. Not only does this have recipes for deliciously eating, but it has recipes for life and real life pictures. Each section is color coded for easy flipping. Over 60 recipes to take the struggle out of life, weight loss, and just cooking healthy meals. You can find it on my website, weightlossrecipescookbook.com, also available on Amazon and Barnes & Noble.